Hello everybody, this is Captain Gilbert. Today is our exercise number 5. Vessel is westbound, course 245 degrees, speed 20 knots. So actually we're doing the exercise many times, but that was a small difference in course setting can change the outcome a lot. So we just study one by one to see what happened in the exercise and how the captain were doing, and actually what effect have to make, because each captain's priority or their habit is different, or maybe their skill is different. Okay, in the beginning, the exercise is as last time. Some vessel outbound, some vessel inbound. The most complicated place is nearing the pilot station. I think everybody have this same kind of experience. Some were taking pilot, some was pilot leaving, and a lot of course change and also the speed change. So everything can be happen nearing the pilot station. Okay, let's see. Right now, in the 6-minute speed vector, 2 outbound vessels is about to meet us at the same spot around the pilot station, and also 1 port-side vessel coming. This is the steering of 3 minutes. The speed is reduced from 20 knots to 14 knots. So it's 6 knots difference in 2 minutes. So the speed reduction is quite effective. And the captain was going at the speed of what percentage? Maybe 50%. And also captain have adjusted the ship course from 245 degrees to 249 degrees. It's only 4 degrees difference, but we will come across the overtaking on our starboard quarter coastline. So this creates a collision spot on the overtaking vessel's path. So after 3 minutes, the situation looks good for these 3 crossing vessels, because all vessels can passing Ownship bow after 3 minutes, and we have about 2 minutes safety margin to arriving the same collision spot. Maybe this is what captain thinking as us. So actually captain have increased speed in this moment. We see this picture 5 minutes after the exercise begin. The captain increased the speed to full ahead. Maybe this is because his confidence about this crossing vessel won't be a problem to him. Or he just increased speed because they were starboard overtaking vessel much faster than him. Anyway, we can see that was the captain's doing. Right now he had adjusted the course a little bit from 249 to 247 degrees. But in our radar picture, we can see we Ownship still on the coastline of the overtaking vessel. So what the captain were evaluate in this situation? We can see since the engine speed increased for about 1 minute, the ship speed increased from 14 knots to 16 knots. Actually, this is not the real case happened on board the ship, because in the real ship it is impossible to increase ship speed 2 knots, especially the speed is around the full ahead maneuvering speed. So we should take caution, because the speed change is not as quickly as the course adjustment. Even if the course change usually takes 2 minutes to accomplish. So in the ship setting, it's like another captain say, is current position and the predict position. You must be able to see what's gonna be happen 3 minutes later, or 6 minutes later, or a quarter minutes later. If you're not able to predict the ship's movement and other ship's movement, we are actually not capable or competent in our job. Okay, let's see. This is the picture of 7 minutes Ownship already crossing the collision spot. All 3 crossing vessels already passing the spot, then Ownship. And there were 2 vessels trying to cross the separation line approaching the pilot station, which will be arrived 3 minutes later. And finally, Captain doing a decisive act, which was change Ownship's course from 246 to 252. It's 8 degrees more. So that's why Ownship already passing the overtaking vessel's coastline. We can check on the radar picture, which was this green line of the overtaking vessel is put on by me. That means the captain have really doing very good visual lookout of this vessel's intention. So he make correct judgment of the overtaking's movement to port side and Ownship approaching to the starboard side. So this is the captain's ability. All vessels run. You not only can read from the radar, the best choice is you can always read from the visual that is out of the window. That will be our topic after all these radar exercises have finished. I hope you enjoyed today's exercise. See you next time. Bye bye.